Sundara Company. Price of the share is 50 rupees. Dividends of 2 rupees and 50 cents per share is paid annually. Aruna invested 60,000 rupees to buy shares in the above company. How many shares did he buy? We can find number of shares by dividing invested amount 60,000 by price of a share 50. 60 divided by 5, 12, 2 zeros, 1,200 shares. Then part 2. After receiving dividends from the company at the end of a year, Aruna sells all the shares at 55 rupees per share. How much does he obtain in total as dividends and from selling all shares? We can find total dividend income. There are 1,200 shares and company pays 2 rupees and 50 cents per share. We have to multiply number of shares and dividend per share. Then we have to multiply without considering decimal places, and then finally we can separate 2 decimal places from the answer. There are 3 zeros. 12 into 5, 60, 0, 6 remaining, 12 into 2, 24, plus 6, 30. We have to separate 2 decimal places. Dividends income is 3,000 rupees. And we have to find the selling price. Selling price of a share, 55 rupees. We have to multiply by number of shares to obtain the total selling price. Then we can simplify, put 2 zeros at the end of the answer. 12 into 5, 60, 0, 6 remaining. 12 into 5, 60 plus 6, 66. 66,000 rupees. Therefore, now we have to find the total amount he could receive as dividends and from selling shares. Therefore, total income. We have to add this value and this value. 3,000 plus 66,000. 69,000 rupees. Then part 3. Aruna deposits the total income he get in a bank for 1 year. If he receives 3,450 rupees as interest from the bank for the year, what is the annual interest rate of the bank? They have not given interest calculated method, therefore we have to use simple interest. We can write interest equals amount into time into interest rate. Interest is given as 3,450. Invested amount is this one, 69,000 rupees. Time 1 year, we have to find the interest rate. I will consider it as X%. Then we can cancel out 2 zeros and we have to subject X. When subjecting X, we have to bring 690 to the left hand side. 345 divided by 690. It is 0.5%. I have not considered this zero. Therefore, 690 divided by 345, 2. 345 divide 3,450 divided by 345, 10. 10 divided by 2 is 5%. It should be 5%.